Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how you can integrate NodeRED with free and publicly available cloud MQTT broker from the MQTT.Pro. Okay, you can navigate to this website to get the broker details, and here is the broker detail. So we are going to use this broker detail in the NodeRED to exchange the data between our publisher and the subscriber, and our NodeRED will be publisher as well as it will act as a subscriber. So I'm going to take the inject node first, and then I will take MQTT out node as my publisher, and I'll take MQTT in node as my subscriber. And here I'm going to add the debug node with a subscriber to display the output on the node status. Okay, and here also we are going to take one debug node to display what we are sending as a publisher. Okay, and here also we will see the output of publisher in the node status. And I have connected this timestamp to MQTT. Now we have to configure the MQTT broker in the NodeRED. So here is the MQTT out node, and here we are going to add or configure the new MQTT broker. So you have to click on this add new MQTT broker and then on the pencil. And here we are going to copy the broker IP address and the port number. Okay, so public.mqtt.pro. I'm going to paste it here. The port is 1883. As you can see, it's a TCP port, so everything is fine. Now we are going to copy the username. Okay, it's a secure MQTT broker, a free and secure MQTT broker, so you can use it for your testing and learning purpose. So we are going to security. I'll paste that username here, and we will copy the password as well, and we will paste the password here. Okay, we will provide the name like MQTT.Pro broker. We will edit, and topic we are going to publish the data is Pylene topic. The QoS is 0, and this is our publisher. Okay, and we are going to press on done. And here is our subscriber. The QoS we are going to use is 0, and the topic we are going to use is Pylene topic, and we are going to connect with MQTT.Pro broker. That's it. We can click on done. We can deploy our NodeRED flow, and you can see it is connected. Now I can inject the timestamp. You can see the timestamp is injected and the same timestamp we have received here. If I inject something new, okay, if I inject something new here, okay, like if I want to inject any string like hello from NodeRED, then also I can do that. Okay, so we have successfully deployed the solution. Now I can inject it, and we have injected hello from NodeRED, and here we have received hello from NodeRED. If I inject the timestamp, then we will receive the timestamp in the subscriber, and if we inject the string, then we will receive the string in the subscriber. So this is how you can use this MQTT.Pro publicly available secure MQTT broker for your testing and development. Okay, so here is the broker details. I will provide this link in the description of this video, so you can go there and you can use this broker link. Okay, here is our NodeRED flow. So I hope this thing is clear that how you can create this kind of flow to publish your data and to subscribe your data. Okay, so if you're collecting data from any of your sensor, then you can use MQTT to send the data to MQTT broker, and you can use any device which is MQTT compatible to receive that data from anywhere in the world. Okay, if you are using cloud MQTT broker. So if you're using cloud MQTT broker from the MQTT.Pro, then you can do that as well. So I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any question or any doubt, then you can put your questions in the comment section. So now we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.